Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device by using power button and volume up button. You can open power menu and then select power off option. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press volume down button and power button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button once you see a logo on your screen. And now you have to choose your language with volume buttons and then select with power button. And here you have to use volume buttons to navigate to format data and then press power button. Now you have to enter your confirmation code and then click format. Then click OK. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.